nutrition secret: 3 breakfasts. Over the past 30 years, I've tried almost every kind of workout, but mine remains consistent: a series of yoga poses I do first thing most mornings. One leg forward bend. Sit on this bar with your right leg extended, the heel of your left foot against your inner right thigh, left knee turned out. Breathe in deeply and exhale as you lean forward to reach hands toward right foot. You should feel your lower back and hamstrings release with every breath. Repeat for 10 breaths. Switch sides. Here you will strengthen your back muscles as you stretch your abs. Lie face down with legs extended and tops of feet on the floor, palms flat near shoulders. Breathe in deeply and exhale as you press through hands to straighten arms. Return to start and repeat for 5 breaths. Gently stretches and then, in the process, helps open the hips. Sit upright with left foot tucked under right butt cheek and right foot on floor beside left thigh, so right leg crosses left leg. Inhale and twist to your right, placing right hand on floor behind you and left elbow on right knee. Exhale. Repeat for 10 breaths. Switch sides. This opens the upper body like no other. Lie face down, arms extended out to sides, palms on floor. Inhale deeply and exhale as you reach a straight right arm behind back to open chest while crossing right foot over left leg. Your entire right side should lift off floor. Repeat for 10 breaths, then switch sides.